Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Our last supporting connective tissue is bone. Bone, I think, is very distinctive, and its distinct features are going to help us identify it when we're looking at it underneath the microscope. What we want to find is we want to find this structure that I'm circling here, and this structure is known as the osteon. And there's another one right here as well. But all of this that we see here is bone tissue. Some people say that bone looks like tree rings. If you cut down a tree and you look at the stump and you can see the growth rings of the stump. Some people think that it looks like that. Other people use the analogy of a target with a bullseye in the middle. And I kind of like that one because that also demonstrates what we are looking at, because we can see that we have these rings, and then we do have a circular bullseye type structure in the middle of that osteon. So this is kind of like the bullseye, and then around it are the other rings on the target or dartboard. Or again, if you like the tree ring analogy, then that is fine as well. Cartilage had chondrocytes in lacunae. Bone is going to have osteocytes in lacunae. Osteocyte is just the name for bone cell. Just like cartilage has a special name for its cells, bone has a special name for the cells of that tissue as well. I know I don't have it on my list up here in the video, but those cells that we see would be in lacunae, and again, they would be called osteocytes. So I'll circle another one, and then let's see. I'll kind of point to this one off to the side. And we can label that osteocyte in the lacunae. Bone is going to be found in our skeletal system, and it's going to function in things like support. Also, our skeletal system and our bones of the skeletal system provide things like protection as well.